Imagination comes true. Labthink Testing Solution Series. Flexible packaging, oxygen and water vapor permeability integrated testing solution. When you need to test oxygen and water vapor permeability, is there a testing instrument solution that can test both oxygen and water vapor simultaneously at a low cost? Labthink is dedicated to solving all the testing problems for you. Labthink unprecedentedly integrates colorimetric oxygen analysis sensor and infrared water vapor analysis sensor into one permeability testing instrument that can automatically complete oxygen and water vapor transmission rate tests through one sample clamp, which marks the first realization of automatic OTR/WVTR integrated testing worldwide. This unique integrated testing instrument, designed and manufactured with reference to ASTM D3985, ASTM F1249, ISO 15106-2, etc., has the advantages of multifunction, high precision and whole process automation. You may worry that the dual sensor structure will make the instrument operation more complex and take more labor and time. We have already taken this point into account. After you have placed the sample and set the parameters, everything will be automatically carried out. You only need to choose the test gas type. During the test process, the sensors will be automatically switched and the temperature, humidity and flow rate will be automatically controlled. The OTR/WVTR integrated test process requires no user intervention, which truly realizes the one-click test. The highly automated all-in-one design brings an unparalleled efficiency advantage. Taking the 3-cell instrument as an example, at least 6 samples were needed for both one OTR test and one WVTR test, while Labthink OTR/WVTR integrated testing instrument uses only 3 samples. The operation efficiencies of sample preparation, test cell cleaning, sample replacement, parameter setting, test result or report processing and other procedures are all increased by 2 times, but the manual work only occupies half of the task. Multifunction, high precision and automation are the 3 original R&D intentions. And the final foothold of our R&D is the cost control design of user thinking. From the perspective of procurement, compared with the purchase of 2 respective instruments, the purchase of Labthink OTR/WVTR integrated testing instrument can save 47% of investments. From the perspective of instrument maintenance expenses in the latter stage, the integrated testing instrument has installed Labthink patented technology sensor, which has a service life of up to 6 to 10 years and is an incomparable innate cost advantage. At the same time, the integrated testing instrument is equipped with the internationally recognized top brand components with excellent quality and long-term reliability. In addition, we guarantee the instrument's performance, minimize the internal structure complexity, and optimize the pipeline design and electronic control system while minimizing the potential failure. Thanks to the all-in-one design, the maintenance costs of one integrated testing instrument is much less than those of 2 respective instruments. Taken together, reasonable purchase price combined with a 15-year return on investment, Labthink integrated testing instrument can save 30 to 50% of the investment compared with those of other manufacturers. Labthink, with her 30 years of testing instrument R&D and manufacturing experiences, has the most complete permeability testing instrument product line. Labthink will, together with her customers, continue to innovate based on her professional team and leading technology to meet global challenges.
Labthink since 1989.